cloud computing continues its relentless expansion, solidifying its position as the backbone of modern IT infrastructure. We are seeing a massive shift from on-premise solutions to scalable, flexible cloud services across IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS models. This isn't just about cost savings, it's about agility, innovation, and global reach. Enterprises are leveraging the cloud for everything from data storage and application hosting to advanced analytics and machine learning. Major players like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud are constantly innovating, driving further adoption and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The market shows no signs of slowing down, with projections indicating sustained double-digit growth for years to come. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's actively reshaping every industry imaginable. From generative AI creating content and code to machine learning optimizing supply chains and personalizing customer experiences, AI's impact is profound. Investment in AI technologies is skyrocketing as companies recognize its potential to drive efficiency, unlock new insights, and create competitive advantages. We are seeing rapid advancements in natural language processing, computer vision, and predictive analytics, making AI more accessible and powerful than ever. The demand for AI specialists and ethical AI frameworks is growing, highlighting its critical role in the future of technology and business. As our digital world expands, so does the threat landscape. Cybersecurity has evolved from a niche concern to an absolute imperative for every organization, regardless of size. Data breaches are becoming more frequent and sophisticated, costing billions and eroding trust. This constant threat fuels massive investment in advanced security solutions, including AI-powered threat detection, zero-trust architectures, and robust identity management. Regulatory compliance, like GDPR and CCPA, further emphasizes the need for stringent security measures. The demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals far outstrips supply, making it one of the most critical and fastest-growing sectors in IT. Protecting digital assets is paramount.